Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic. How to withdraw or transfer money from Western Union to your Chase Bank account in 2025. Whether you're receiving funds from family overseas or just managing your finances more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you want to do this? Western Union is great for quick money transfers, but getting those funds into your Chase account means you can use them for everyday banking, investments, or even direct deposits. Plus, with 2025's updated features, it's faster and more secure than ever. Before we start, make sure you have a verified Western Union account and a linked Chase Bank account. If not, download the apps and set them up. It's quick and free. Step 1. Log into your Western Union account via their mobile app or website. Look for the Send Money or Transfer to Bank option in the menu. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Select the amount you want to transfer. Double check for any fees. Western Union might charge a small amount based on the transfer size, but in 2025, they've streamlined this to be more affordable. Step 3. Choose Bank Account as your delivery method. You'll need to enter your Chase account details, like your account number and routing number. Pro tip: have these handy from your Chase app to avoid any delays. Step 4. Verify the transaction. Western Union will send a confirmation code to your phone or email. Enter it to approve the transfer. Once done, the funds should hit your Chase account in as little as a few minutes, depending on the banks involved. If you run into any issues, like account linking problems, reach out to Western Union or Chase customer support. They're usually very helpful and can guide you through. And there you have it. You're all set to seamlessly move money from Western Union to Chase. This method not only saves time but also keeps your finances organized. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.